Hello friends, good evening. My name is Vaishnavi and today's our story is the Peter Pan. So in a town there used to live a family of 5 members. Three children and parents. The elder girl is Wendy and the both brothers are John and Michael. This Wendy used to care her siblings a lot and she used to like them a lot. One of the day, their parents went out for a tour. So for like 2 days they went out for a tour, and they said Wendy to take care of her siblings. Wendy was a loving and caring girl who takes care about everyone. Means she used to like her brothers a lot. So she used to take care about their brothers. So they were sleeping. They went to sleep at night. So Peter Pan and Twinkle came there to their house. Means this Wendy's house. They came there and they were searching for something. They were searching there. So Peter Pan found his shadow there. So he's trying to stitch his shadow, but it was not attached to him. It was it was going away from him. So he was trying to attach the shadow, but it was not getting it was not getting into him. So he was trying, but it was not successful. So Wendy woke up. She got something sound and she woke up. So she saw that and she asked her, "Who are you?" So they said that I am Peter and Twinkle. So why did you come here and what are you doing? She asked like that. Wendy asked, "Why did you come here? What are you doing?" So he said that we came for a work. So I'm searching for my shadow. So I got my shadow here. So I'm trying to attach the shadow to me, but it was not getting attached to me. So Wendy said, "I'll attach. Give me your shadow." So she attached the shadow. She was stitching it. So meanwhile, Peter said the story of Netherland to her. So she stitched the shadow and it was attached to him. So Peter Pan asked that, "Can you please come with us to Netherland? I'll show you my friends and my house where I'm living." So she thought for some time and she said that, can my brothers and also come with us? Can my brother also come with us? So he said, of course they can come. So she woke up her brothers and they were ready to go. So he said that, "Come, we'll fly and we'll go." So Wendy asked, "How can we fly?" So he said that if Twinkle will give you some powers. So with that powers you can fly. So they got those powers and they were flying. So these Wendy and Pan Peter were speaking a lot. Means they were speaking like they were introducing each other like, "This is my family. I'll be like this." So Twinkle saw this and she felt very sad for this new bonding. So later they have reached the Netherlands. So they reached the Netherlands, but they didn't go into the house. So they were seeing from the top of the Netherlands. So it was looking very beautiful from there. So in the Netherlands there were enemies for Pan Peter. So his name is Captain. So Captain means one of the day Pan Peter said to Wendy that he was my captain, so he is very scared of crocodile. So she asked, "Why is he scared of crocodile?" So Pan Peter said that one of the day we were fighting. So I have cut his hand, and it was when it has went into the mouth of crocodile. So from then he was very scared of crocodile. So captain saw that Peter was speaking to their friends, and he had made a shot to him. So but it didn't hit them, so it was in a far, it was so far to them. So this Pan Peter said that I'll go near the captain. Twinkle, you take these three members to the house. So the Twinkle was very jealous about Wendy. So she said that Wendy, you stay here. I'll take your brothers, and later I'll come with you. So when so later she took their brothers to the house, and she has kept them in a safe place. So Wendy said that Wendy means like Twinkle said to Wendy that I'll take you later. So she was waiting there. But she went to the friends of Peter. So his friends used to follow the words of Peter, and they used to do that. So Twinkle said that Peter is saying to hit the bird. So I'll show you the bird. So hit it. So she has shown Wendy to those friends. So they don't know, right? She's the friend of Peter. So means they hurted her. So she has fallen down. So later Peter came there, and he asked, what happened to you and what did you do to her? He asked her friends. So his friend said that Twinkle told to us to do like this, that you said to do. So we did like this. So Peter was very angry on Twinkle, and he said to Twinkle that do not show your face again. So later he has, their friends has hurt her with they hit her with an arrow. So that arrow has been stuck in the walnut. Means she has a locket, she has a chain, and it has a locket of walnut. So it has touched to the walnut, and it has stuck there. So they thought that she was hurted. So later Peter saw that, and she was alive, and at night they took her to the house, and they were talking. So it became night, and at night Wendy said the story to everyone, and all slept. So next morning they decided to go to the house. So they were missing their parents, so they decided to go to house. So next day morning, means they decided at the night that their friends also will go. So Peter's friends also will go along with Wendy and her brothers. So Peter will not go because he don't like to listen to the parents' words, because he feel like that. So these all next day morning all woke up, and they started the journey to the house. So the captain caught all these friends in a net, and he said that crocodile to eat them. So this Peter came and fought with the captain, and he has given a food to crocodile as the captain. So the crocodile has eaten the captain, and there is an end for the story, end of the captain's story. So later these all members went to the house, and they were happy, but Peter did not stay with them. So he returned back to the Netherlands. So all the members were living happy. So this is today's story. Thank you.